Hey, what's up, StormX Holders? So this is the very urgent update of StormX, my friend. And what's the prediction to upcoming days? StormX is moving up or fails down. And what's my opinion, my friends, to sell, hold, or buy? Let's start this brand video. I request you, my brother, to please, if you just subscribe this channel, then I give you guarantee to you cannot lose, my friend. If you subscribe this channel, then you cannot lose anymore. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification. All right, my friends, the StormX as moving up like a rocket. And the last 1 hour, this is the last hour update, my friends. First of all, you can see your change occur as plus 2%, and definitely they're moving up like a rocket. So you can see here their change occur as in positive, so they're moving up. The latest price as 0.053725 US dollar. So definitely, my friend, the price is also increased now, and the change occur as in positive. So congratulations, the latest update is gone very good, my friend. Okay, come to the point. What's the prediction, my friends, to upcoming days? They're moving up or they fails down. What's the prediction? Definitely, my friend, I told you. All right, if you can see here, my friend, this time they completely moving up and they cannot take a fail. Absolutely, they cannot take a fail. So definitely, I hope at the mid of this at the midnight, my friend, they move up and they hit 0.08 US dollar. I cannot tell you, my friend, absolutely today hit 1 US dollar, 2 US dollar. Absolutely, this is not a fake news. So my friend, I told you today can hit just 0.08 US dollar. This is just at the mid target, my friend, at the midnight target. I hope StormX is moving very fastly. So the prediction is absolutely, my friend, positive. They're moving up in upcoming time. So kindly holders, don't sell it. Absolutely, my opinion is that to don't sell it. If you are a long time investor, then definitely don't sell it. Hold it for a long time. Hold it for end of this month. Hold it for 2022. I hope they make you millionaire if you wait for a long time. So thank you so much, StormX Holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. And if you want to cannot lose, then absolutely subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. This channel is update you for a long research, my friend, and absolutely give you a very good latest updates. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.